I chose social work and I chose the Brown School because I had had a number of experiences and a lot of interest in human services through volunteer work and in policy and politics, and I felt like social work allowed me to combine all of those things. I am very passionate about helping to make the American dream a reality for more people, and particularly people who've been excluded from those opportunities, particularly people of color and women. I feel very proud to have worked for the Obama administration, to be part of an administration that was really trying to do things differently, to work across silos. And so when I had a chance as a political appointee to go with my colleagues to the White House and meet President Obama and to be acknowledged for the work that we were all doing on behalf of American people, and in my case, on behalf of the country's most vulnerable children and families, that was a really proud moment. I was selected as a Bettie Schroth Johnson Scholar, and that was pivotal in my decision to come here. The chance to be part of a cohort of brilliant women with a focus on management and leadership was a real selling point for me. The legacy I would like to leave, hopefully for many, many future students, is the important role that social workers can play in shaping, influencing, developing, and executing on policy. I think the roots of social work are in bringing people together, in solving problems at all levels, individual, family, community, policy. And I think the perspective, the skills, and maybe just as importantly, the values, particularly that social workers bring, are needed now more than ever. It is a huge honor to me to get this award. I am someone who is very proud to be a social worker. And so to be acknowledged for that body of work that really is pushing for social change and really is connected to what I view as the roots of social work, which is trying to move the needle on poverty, I'm just humbled and honored to be recognized.